Yo, what it do? It's your boy, Jay Starks, the One Wheel Wing, here in Ocean City. Out here with my girlfriend. We're enjoying the beach, but we had light riders. From the moment you walk up, the vibe is just super inviting. It's just very chill. You got these nice bikes outside. You, of course, once you see the GT, I'm like, yo, I'm right at home. So anyway, let's go inside. Oops, wrong handle. So when you walk inside, just got this crazy layout, an array of things. My board, my girl's board. There it is. This is Light Riders in Ocean City. See this? It's EUCs. Lumos. Not Lumos. I forgot the name. I think it's Lumo. It's a robot. My friend owns one of those. Yeah, man. Look at this fire. It's crazy. Adam, laser, my bro. What up? GT display. This is beautiful. The ladies are chopping up. I'm coming back to them. I'm just giving them a view of everything. Yeah. This is Alicia. I pronounced it properly.
That's right.
Awesome. And she is the...
one of the owners here. Me and my husband are the owners.
Okay. You want to give us a quick, 1 minute rundown of your vision, what you do?
Yeah, sure. So my husband and I were from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we've been riding for years. And we really, we were coming down here because we own another company called Valhalla Indoor Axe Throwing, and we wanted to bring that down here to Ocean City. We got married down here, and we wanted to bring something here. Well, we kept on riding up and down on our one wheels and segways, and we were riding around looking for a venue, and we couldn't find one big enough for axe throwing. And then everywhere we went, every single day, we were riding, and people were like, where did you get those? Where did you get those? Where did you get those? And my husband said, one more time, someone says, where did you get those? And we're opening up a PEV shop down here. And it was, we were right outside of this building here, and someone said, where did you get those? We're like, all right, fine. That's it. We're doing this. So we moved our family down here. We got 4 kids. We moved down here with our kids, and we opened up this shop. We started building in February. We started building, and then we opened in June, and here it is.
This is beautiful. Congratulations,
Thank you so much.
So, Mimi, my girlfriend, what's it? This is their boards. You know, they got the flight fins. Apparently, Alicia has a book. Girl, don't do that. I love that. That's beautiful. But yeah. Anyways, so not gonna bother you all too long. Just wanted to give y'all the scoop. The spot is dope. The owners are cool. They got good vibes. They got good quality stuff. And more than anything else, they got one wheel. So, if you're ever on the East Coast in Ocean City, make sure you stop by Light Riders, because you gotta support the fam. Take it easy.